The Danakil Desert, also known as the Afar Depression, is an otherworldly and extreme desert located in the northeastern part of Ethiopia, as well as Eritrea and Djibouti. It is one of the hottest and lowest places on Earth, and its unique geological features make it a fascinating and challenging destination for adventurous travelers and scientists alike. The Danakil Desert is part of the East African Rift System, where three tectonic plates meet: the African, Arabian, and Somali plates. This geologic activity has resulted in various geological wonders, including volcanoes, salt flats, lava lakes, and geothermal springs. The region is known for its vast expanses of salt pans, colorful sulfur fields, and salt towers formed by the evaporation of ancient seas. The climate in the Danakil Desert is extremely harsh and inhospitable. It is one of the hottest places on Earth, with average temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and often reaching above 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, during the peak of the day. The region experiences very little rainfall, making it one of the driest places on the planet. The Danakil Desert is situated along the East African Rift, an active tectonic boundary that has resulted in significant volcanic activity. The Ale volcano is one of the main attractions in the region, featuring one of the few continuously active lava lakes in the world. The sulfur springs and fumaroles in the area also showcase the intense geothermal activity of the region. Dalal is a volcanic explosion crater located in the Danakil Depression and is one of the most surreal and colorful places on Earth. It is famous for its hydrothermal fields, where acidic hot springs and geysers release steam and sulfur, creating a surreal landscape of vibrant colors. The combination of minerals and salts in the springs produces a range of hues, from neon greens and yellows to intense reds and blues. The Danakil Desert is known for its traditional salt mining, which has been carried out for centuries by the Afar people. The salt flats in the region are a result of the evaporation of ancient seas, leaving behind vast salt deposits. Workers extract the salt manually and transport it using camel caravans to nearby towns and villages, where it is traded and sold. Visiting the Danakil Desert requires careful planning and preparation due to its extreme environment. The high temperatures, lack of water sources, and remote location make it a challenging destination. Travelers are advised to go with experienced tour operators and guides who can ensure safety and provide necessary supplies during the expedition. Despite its harsh conditions, the Danakil Desert is home to some uniquely adapted flora and fauna. Salt-tolerant plants and shrubs can be found in some areas, along with small mammals, reptiles, and birds that have adapted to the desert's extreme conditions. The Danakil Desert is a place of wonder and discovery, where the Earth's geologic forces are on full display, and the tenacity of life in the harshest environments is evident. Exploring this remote and fascinating desert offers a rare opportunity to witness the raw power of nature and gain insight into the Earth's geological history.